pass you, so it has changed previous costs. Okay. That makes sense, I think. I might do that diagnostics again. Well, first we'll see if it works. So I'm going to go back to benchmark. We're going to go a little simpler this time. So instead of Sokoban, we don't even need to do cake. Let's do the rocket. Rocket. And rocket test. Alright, let's see. And I always forget which one's which. Alright, rocket test is the domain. Alright, so benchmark. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just take these two lines, paste them. That's not how you comment things. Alright, so this is the rocket test. So this will be, domain file will be rocket.txt, and you'll be rocket.test.txt. Okay, and we got the stopper there, so let's just see if we can debug this. And we should get here relatively quickly. Oh, it doesn't find the files, just because we're not actually copying them over. Let's copy over if newer. Excellent. So we get the rocket test. Everything seems to be working fine. F10. And we get a plan of, it should be a size 4. Yes, excellent. Okay, so that is working fine. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that. Save this, go to the debug. I'm going to go ahead and start the diagnostic tool again for the CPU. And just let it run for a bit. And oh, it can't access something. I must have did something wrong, maybe? Let me close this out. Close all but this. Maybe I just build it again, just in case. Build succeeded. Okay. I'm going to start the debugger. Diagnostics fail. Cannot access a disposed object name dispatcher object. I don't know how to fix that. Do I just clean the solution? Okay. I'm going to start with that debugger. Excellent. Now I'm going to attach. Solution configure set to debug. Oh, okay. Let's do that. Alright, so it is. Why is it stopping my diagnostic session? Should be starting it, right? I'm going to. Okay, it's doing whatever it needs to do. Okay, I'll let it do its thing. Alright, so it's. Oh, did it finish? Oh yeah, obviously, because it's just doing the rocket domain. So where did it go? 2CNF seems to be the biggest thing here, but this all took very short time, so I'm not too worried about this. Let's give it something a little harder to chew on. So I'm gonna take out the rocket domain. Let's put the Sokoban problem back in there. Just build it. And then let's start the diagnostic tools. This is where it's going to start freaking out a bit. And I'll probably let it run for 45 seconds. So alright, we're at 20 seconds so far. Everything seems to be running normally. I will just let it keep going. And I don't know why it doesn't go like 100% CPU utilization. Is it because I'm streaming and everything? Is it because I need to program it to use all like 4 processors? Maybe that's it, because it really seems like a consistent like 1/4 level of the CPU, which probably means I'm only using 1 processor. Alright, 45 seconds, let's stop it. Alright, so it looks like flatten is going to be our next. Flatten and wrap literals with disjunctions. Spent 4 seconds on that. Spent 3 seconds on wrapping literals with disjunctions. What I'm really happy about is it didn't really lag too much on what? On the heuristic search planner? But that's kind of what I thought it would be doing. Let's see what else is going on. Alright, let's do the module. Can I filter it? No. Alright, so let's just HSP. Let's go to HSP. Here we go. What's taking the most time here? Get all literals? Yeah, that's fine. It's only a one-time thing. Get cost. Yeah, let's see what the get cost function is doing. Heuristic search planner. Get cost. Oh, yeah, that's the main function. Obviously, that will take some time. Yeah, but the has change hasn't really taken much time. Reset nodes hasn't taken much time. Find next solution, yeah. Okay. So if I go in here, let's say we're gonna debug now. Let's start the debugger. Alright, let's go back to debugging. I hope I have breakpoints. I don't have breakpoints, so this is gonna not be good. Let's break right here at the plan. Alright, so it's building this huge problem, which will take a second or two, but it shouldn't take too long. Alright, here we go. We're at the trying to make the plan itself. So I'm going to jump in. I'm going to get the first node. How big is the node? Hate to ask. 2,650. Okay. I almost kind of want to see what what is it all about. Okay. Yep. Excuse me. Alright, so basically, what are you trying to tell me? A node? I thought a node was like a state. State space node, right. Oh, these are all the literals. That is the node lookup. Okay, I'm cool with that. The node itself. Okay, yeah, it's just the state. Alright, so I'm going to expand this. If goal is true, which is not. Give me all the children. Alright, so where's my Q? That's what I need to find out, is the Q. Q is at 0 right now, so basically see, that just took a second there, making one value in that queue. That's the max value. Okay, no problem, no problem. Count values. I need to look at that expand child. That's where I'm losing it. Alright, here, and expand. What's going on? You're gonna get the root, no problem. Children is gonna just be this list. We're basically gonna say, give me all the steps. And so, step 1. Alright, so I got the... Okay. Yeah, move player, cell 0, cell 0. This stuff is obviously not gonna work, so... I don't even know where player is right now. Am I in a state space? What? Yes, state space node. Alright, so my children. No, how do I know what? This, and what is my state? Yeah, what is the value of all my literals? Has box. Where's has player? That's kind of what I want to know. Has player is in cell 2-1. Alright. Just want to make sure. Let's see what it's adding. That's all I want to get to. Yeah, okay. You can move there, you can move there. Oh yeah, you can push a box. Nice. And stop here too, if you have to. Alright. So the ancestor is this. What am I doing? Oh, what is this doing? Ancestor.visited, which is... Okay, yeah, you're just adding the visited. Dot expanded equals child count, yes. And the parents. Okay. Oh, okay, and then you basically just... I think I get what you're doing. Alright, alright. So that actually applies the step, right? So if I look at all your children, that kind of applies the step of where... I think so. Because we definitely pushed the box in one of them, and that's this one. Phew, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and look in here. I'm gonna reset the nodes, node lookup. I don't even know if that's a legit line. Oh well, whatever. Wait, is this just a copy of that? Oh, no. It's, Cortana, no. It's basically setting to 0 instead of negative or wherever we at reset nodes. It's setting it to the max, right? Reset node sets it to the max value, yeah. Okay. Oh, excuse me. So previous cost, yes. Okay. Oof. Alright. I'm gonna go back to the benchmark, see where this stops me. It might stop me early, because I have a few more breakpoints in the code, I think. I think it's doing the problem first, so that usually takes like 10 seconds. And then, when I try to F10 here, it's going to stop me a few places. So if I jump out, and step out of here, now it's going to kind of take a second or two, or 10, or a million. Alright, I'll let this run. I really need to diagnose it too, so I think a good place to start would be, yeah, you know what? A good place to start is not to do it this way, just straight into the profiler, or the debugger. So, diagnostic tools, yep, release, that's cool, CPU usage, not really using any GPU right now. And then I just let it roll, basically. So, I'll let that roll, see what happens. Let's see, it's been maybe about an hour? I can't really tell. So let me just hit the timer right quick. The timer is... I already forgot the icon for it. This guy. Yeah, an hour and 4. Alright, cool. I think I'll leave it be for right now. I'll come back later and we'll continue working on this project. But yeah, hopefully I'll let this run until it's finished.